The next stage of construction is the superstructure process. Superstructure are all members of the structure located above the substructure, which is at the top of the ground level, including the earth bin and solid soil. First, frame construction. Frame construction is a building technique which involves building supportive framework of stud, joists, and rafters to attach everything else to this framework. The process of frame construction starts with building up a sill on the ground and the sill being attached to the foundation. The frame may be additionally supported with cross bracing and other techniques. When the frame is completed, walls and other features can be added. Second, upper floor. An upper floor is typically a principal structural element, and the general structural design of a building will greatly influence the choice of the type of floor. The structural design of upper floor has to be support the loads set up by the building up. Third, wall. Wall is a continuous vertical structure that encloses or divides an area of building. The purpose of a wall is to protect a building from weather, to serve as a divider the areas and interior space like room, and acts as sound barriers. Building walls can be built by using variety of material and different methods. To evaluate different techniques in wall construction and to know that the function of walls in different positions. Number 4. Roof. Roof is the top part of the building structure. The roof provides protection from the wind, heat, and rain. A roof is a flat or steep structure built to protect a building. The roof must be constructed to satisfy the requirements and functions such as stability, strength, durability, weather resistant, fire resistant, thermal insulation properties, and appearance of the building itself. Number 5. Door. The door is an opening in the wall to allow entry into a building or between rooms within the building. The door has two sections made up of door frame and door leaf. The door leaf is a solid resin on the door or in an opening. In addition, door leaves also act as heat and weather resistant. Number 6. Window. A window is an opening made on a wall or roof to allow sunlight to pass through the building and provide occupants of the building with an outside view. Infrastructure. Infrastructure is the fundamental or basic facilities and system that serving a country, city, or the other area. The services and facilities necessary are important for the economic function. Infrastructure is the element of public and private physical improvement. For example, road, railways, bridge, tunnel, water supply, electrical supplies, and telecommunication. Infrastructure also provides the benefits for public use and also in order to work effectively. The common infrastructure in residential area are roads, car park, drain, fence, and landscape. This infrastructure can provide convenience for public and let the residents feel comfortable. Thus, the construction stage of infrastructure is a necessary in process of constructing a house. Infrastructure is the final stage of construction in residential project. In conclusion, throughout the site visit to Setia Tropika, we know that constructing a building is not easy because it consists of many procedures to go through and the requires of many specialists like architects, contractors, and engineers. Therefore, the specialists are responsible in their fields to finish and produce a good and well-built building to fulfill the client demands.